Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you're interested in finding out, then go ahead and keep watching. Both Ipsys come in a bubble wrap container and it just says Ipsy on it. And this is my regular glam bag in here. Go ahead and pull it out and show you all what it looks like. So it just says Ipsy right there, and then on the back it says Your Magic. The bag definitely feels of good quality, so I love these little bags because I love putting things in them. I mean, literally, I can put, at this day and age, my mask, hand sanitizer, lipsticks, perfume. I mean, I can just throw this in my purse and I can find things easily. So we get one of these every single month and I just add them. Also, if I'm giving products away to my mom, my aunt, my sister, my cousins, products that I don't wear or not the right shade for me, then I have these little bags to re-gift to them as well. So it's perfect. But this bag I might have to keep because this actually feels really, really sturdy. And then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus comes in a bag like this, an actual drawstring bag. And on the back of the bag, it also says Your Magic. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Ipsy Glam Bag first, the one that's $12 a month. And I just received this recently, so I still had it in the bubble wrap. This one came about a week and a half ago. So I do receive them. I always get my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus first, and then about a week later I'll get the Ipsy Glam Bag. Even though we're able to pick some products, honestly, when you pick on the very first of the month, I don't even remember what I've selected when the bag comes. I love that I get to make a selection. That way I'm guaranteed to at least like a few products in the bag, because it's actually what I picked out. I kind of go in and pick the best. So what they actually do is give you 4 options and you pick one thing out of the 4 options. And then, like I said, they'll go in and select the other products for you. So it's still always a surprise. Now the Ipsy app will build your glam bag for you, and then you're able to go on and see what you receive. But I always want to be surprised, so I don't always take a look at that, and I don't know what I'm going to be receiving this month. For either bag. I think for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I have already used some products, so we'll talk about that when we get to that bag. But the Ipsy Glam Bag, I haven't even looked inside, so I do not know what to expect, and I am super excited. So, in the Ipsy Glam Bag, let's see what's inside. It gives you a little card, and in the card, it gives you a breakdown of what is in the bag. And I actually love this feature. I don't know why they don't include it in the Glam Bag Plus, but they don't. But I can still find out the cost of everything on the app. But this just gives you the full retail value of each product, because like I said, you're getting a deluxe or a deluxe sample. Okay guys, so the first thing I see is in a bubble wrap. Let's see what this is. It's I'm going to mispronounce it, so I'm going to apologize in advance. Illa Mosca powder eyeshadow in hand. I'll put the names on the screen because I know I totally butchered that. And oh my goodness, look, it's so tiny. Well, it's really tiny. So like I said, this is the one where you get the samples. What color is it, I wonder? Guys, he's in here good. This little thing. Oh, it's a gold bronzy shimmer color. This is it right here. This looks really, really good, and it's gonna match perfect with my skin tone. I love this little cute powder eyeshadow. So this is the first item, item number 1. The next thing I see, ooh, it's a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. This is it right here. Oh, I'm not going to open it because I want to keep it nice and fresh. We just got a Bobbi Brown product. I don't think I've ever tried a Bobbi Brown mascara, and I am a mascara wearer, so I'm super excited to add this. Product number 2 is a thumbs up. The next product I see is by Dolce. This is it right there. And this is an ultra precision eyeliner. Oh, and it's in black. It looks velvety. I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, you can see there. It felt really, really, really creamy. I am a liquid eyeliner girl, but it would be nice to have something that I can smudge on the bottom of my lash line. Okay, I just wanted to add a little something, do a little something. This formula is definitely creamy and I love it. I can never have too much black eyeliner, so this product is also a thumbs up. Okay, that's everything in the bag. The bag is empty. And so let me check the bubble wrap because we're looking for 2 more products. Okay, they're inside the bubble wrap. The next thing I pull out is this Face the Day infused with rose to replenish moisture and comfort irritated puffy skin. So it's a sheet mask, and this is by Timeless Beauty Bar. And then I have another repairing cooling face sheet mask, and I have 2 sheet masks here. So this is great. I can never have too many face masks, especially when the winter is coming and your skin is a little bit drier. Oh, and last but not least, we have a brush here. Oh, I love, it reminds me of Christmas. I don't have a brush like this, so I'm definitely excited to add it to my collection. And you can see the handle is super cute, and then this is super fluffy. Thumbs up. So those were my 5 products. Quickly, I got this mascara, eyeshadow, and black eyeliner. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The first thing that I pulled out, oh, is also by the brand Dolce, or Dulce, and it's, oh, it's an eyeshadow palette, guys. This is beautiful. Look at it. Right here, and then we open it up, and this is it right here. Oh, definitely some beautiful colors. Very fall. I'm excited to add this to my collection. Now this Dolce is a brand that I've never heard of before, and it looks like some high quality stuff, so I'm definitely excited to have that and add that to my collection. The next thing I pull out is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. This is it right here. It helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. I've tried a few things by Dr. Brandt. I tried a cleanser before, but never the exfoliator, and the product that I tried worked really well on my skin, no irritation or anything. I'm always in need of a good exfoliator, so I'm happy to add this to my collection. Okay guys, let's keep going. Oh, this is by Tarte, and it says absorbs oil and mattifies, blurs, bakes and sets, mess-free shifter, formulated with vitamin C for brightening. And this is the Tarte High Performance Natural Shape Tape Setting Powder. I've never tried a powder from Tarte, so whew, very impressed. And it looks like it's actually my shade. Look at this. And then the top just looks like, the front looks like this. Okay, and it has a little powder puff, and this is what it looks like all around. I can never have too much setting powder. I'm definitely down to try a new one, and it looks like I said, it's a shade that I can wear, so I'm super excited to add this to my collection. Ipsy's killing it this month, guys. They really are. Okay, I have 2 gel eyeliners. And this is by the brand Arcelli. And let's see. Looks like I have chocolate. This is chocolate right here. Oh, that looks nice. And then the next one is cinnamon. You see it right there. Here, there's one more product. Oh yeah, I received this brush. This is by Complex Culture, and this is the brush right here. It's really fluffy, and as you can see, I used it because I actually used it today to do my face, and I've had this for about a week, so I've actually used this brush a couple times, and I actually really enjoy it. I use it to set my entire face. It's fluffy, it's soft, definitely a thumbs up. But yeah, anytime I get a brush set or a brush in a beauty subscription, I love getting makeup tools. I love adding to my collection, and most of the time they're pretty good quality, so I'm definitely pleased about that. So let's quickly go over what we received. So we have the brush. We have the Dolce palette. We have 2 eye pencils. Let's do this. So we have 2 eye pencils. We have the Dr. Brandt. And then we have the Tarte powder. So this is everything that we got in the Glam Bag Plus. This one is $25 a month, 5 full-size products. Okay guys, so there's 5 products. I want to rate each bag out of 5. I can use every single product in the Glam bag, the regular one for $12. I was happy with everything I received. Definitely a 5 out of 5. The Glam Bag Plus. Again, I can use every single product. I'm excited about this Dr. Brandt. I'm excited about these 2 things. The brush works well. I can use both of these shades. This is a perfect brown shimmer shade, bronzy. Love it. Love getting another brush. Can never go wrong with the black eyeliner. Bobbi Brown mascara. I love it. Sheet mask. I love it. Like literally in both bags, every single product gets a thumbs up for me. So a 5 out of 5 for the Glam bag and a 5 out of 5 for the Glam Bag Plus. I am obsessed, guys, and I want to know your thoughts. So comment down below. Let me know if you agree. Do you think both bags deserve a 5 out of 5? Which product do you think is the best product per bag? I definitely want to hear from you. Let me know. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I will leave my referral link in the description box below. If you have already signed up for Ipsy, comment down below and let me know, what did you receive? Did you receive the same products that I did or something a little bit different? I would absolutely love to hear from you. Okay guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some love in the comments down below. Last but not least, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell so that you will be notified every time I upload so that you will not miss out. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next upload. Bye guys.